Hi guys, let's learn Filipino words. Can you subscribe my channel? Household item. Pan, kawali. Cooking pot, kaserola. Turner, siansi. Ladle, sandok. Bucket, timba. Dipper, tabo. Comb, suklay. Scissor, gunting. Mirror, salamin. Towel, tuwalya. Hat, sombrero. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.